Babalik rin naman natin siya.
Smoke.
You can see, kilaw pa siya.
Because we'll continue cooking it in the oven. Yeah. Wow, perfectly brown by Chef Gio. My chef duo partner. So, makikita na naman na si Renz. Sumisimple na naman sa chicken.
We don't want it to overcook. So,
Yes,
kailangan
Chef Gio.
i-wrap natin siya sa foil later.
Yes,
And then,
okay.
lagyan natin siya sa oven.
Alright, so right now, lagay na siya doon. Yan. Ayan. So ito na, tirador ng
Hey,
chicken. Hindi pa luto, kinakain na.
Just put it like this.
Ayan, okay.
Just to place the chicken.
Alright,
It doesn't matter. The sauce goes down
okay.
as long as the mixture.
Okay.
Now,
So right now, bro, ano gawin mo? Huwag mo tapon yung juice, kailangan kasama siya.
of course, man.
Yeah.
So ngayon, pwede natin i-drizzle lang natin yung
Wow, lovely juices.
Juice.
With some olive oil, lemon, paprika, salt and pepper.
Now we just place
Really
this.
good. See the score there? We really want that for fast cooking. You know?
Kumuskurang kita.
Alright. So we just want na medyo magkakahiwalay sila.
O, ayan.
Nagtataka ko, nagtatanong kayo sa dilim. Banda doon, dun yung mainit na side ng oven. Bro, hiwalaw pa yan, promise. Okay, slant mo lang, bro. Yan.
Huwag yung kamay.
Oo ba?
Nakabasta
That's
sa
why,
viewers natin.
that's why God give us 2 hands to use it, bro.
To eat, bro?
To use it. Bro, medyo igano mo siya. Dun
Diba 7-day Adventist?
sige, okay lang yan, okay lang.
Actually, kaya ako siya ginanyan kasi itong part na to yung nasa likod, yun yung mahirap maluto.
Okay, okay.
Kasi yung blood, it
Yeah,
contracts to the bone.
So just pop 1 lemon here. So later, para siyang magiging marmalade. You know, with some jammy bits. Yung lemon natin, yan, medyo magbo-brown yan. So right now, lalagay na natin siya sa oven. I think na-preheat na yun eh.
Okay.
So right now, yung chicken nandito na sa loob ng oven. Right. Si Renz yung naglagay niya.
Wala pa po?
Thank you. So right now, gagawin natin, hanguin na natin yung potatoes.
Teka lang pare, ano ba yan? Ano ba yung ginagawa mo?
Smashed potato pare.
Smashed potato.
Check lang natin kung luto na talaga. Just to make sure. Luto na yan. Hindi siya katulad ng pasta eh, na kailangan huwag mo masyado i-drain. Kailangan ito, drain na drain. Para pag nilagyan natin siya ng flavors, is kumapit sa kanya ng so, noodles in. Yan, mainit yan. Alright. Mga 4 to 5 minutes. So while that's cooking, we're gonna prepare the mashed potato. So kung gusto mo gawin dyan, kuha ka ng 2 fork, and kung i-close up mo siya, bro, nakikita mo, half press lang. Wag yung masyadong diin, para hindi siya masyadong madurog. Alright, so right now, wala tayong proper utensil, but you're gonna eat some proper food like this. So yan, binuka lang natin yung parang pinakalaman niya, and we will put some lovely and wonderful herbs there. So right now, magcha-chop tayo ng parsley. One of the high class butter, I think. So, lagyan na natin siya ng mga bits. So, unti-unting matutunaw yan. Yan, medyo matigas. Yan. Lalong magiging silky and smooth and shiny ang ating smashed potato. So, about 1.5 tablespoon yung nilagay ko. Hint pala, sobrang ganda niya para siya sa potatoes. Sobrang naka-complement niya. Alright. So ito, gagawin na natin, i-roll up natin into parang cigar. Yan, parang, you know, tobacco. And then, we're going to finely chop. Finely slice. It's like a chiffonade, but it's not. Alright. So, etong pinaka-safest technique or knife skill na matututunan nyo. Just put your hands here. And then continue. Move your knife up and down. Up and down. And then, like that. Alright. So right now, ilalagay lang natin ito sa smashed potato. Yun. Yan.